Here at the facility, we specialize in 4 distinct Angora breeds: the English, Giant, French, and Satin Angoras.
This careful daily grooming routine is absolutely essential for maintaining premium quality Angora fiber.
Examination of the right ear canal confirms no inflammation. Preparing to check the left side.
Assessing premium Angora requires checking both density and the staple length of the undercoat. This specimen is top quality.
We gently hand pluck the naturally molting fiber. This is the gentlest method, ensuring the highest quality yield and the comfort of the rabbit.
Under the lens, we assess the consistency and fineness of the Angora fibers, ensuring there are no coarse guard hairs present.
This hollow core structure is the scientific basis for Angora's extraordinary thermal performance, making the fiber exceptionally warm and light.
So reviewing the harvest schedule, we need to focus specifically on the Q3 projections
And ensure the rabbit condition assessments align with those targets.
Welcome to Factory Process. We follow a systematic journey from the rabbit hutch through sorting, weighing, and packaging.
This specialized equipment ensures the delicate processing of premium Angora fiber, utilizing control.
Look at the uniformity here. Stage 3 processing seems to be the key.
Yes, the alignment efficiency has improved drastically.
The absorption on the blue batch is exceptional this time.
Yes, the vibrancy of this red suggests we can reduce the saturation time.
As shown in the video, our specialized process ensures minimal shedding while maximizing softness. We need more white yarn for the Italy crate.
Bringing it over now.
Make sure the labels are secure for Japan.
Bringing this luxury yarn from the factory floor to the design studio requires meticulous attention to detail. Introducing the complete Luxnium Angora collection, featuring premium sweaters, cardigans, scarves, and hats in our signature color palette.
Okay, angle your chin slightly up. Beautiful. And shift your weight to the left foot. Perfect. Hold that pose.
It's remarkable how they blend the traditional process with modern design.
Look at the texture on that sweater.
It looks incredibly soft.
Our commitment to sustainable luxury begins with ethically sourced Angora, transformed through an extraordinary production process.
The Angora blend is incredibly soft.
Yes. Yes, the hand feel is exquisite, perfect for the high-end market.
Discover the factory process behind Angora, the world's softest luxury fiber, crafted into exquisite garments.
The visualization confirms the stability of the alpha keratin structure.
This data supports the enhanced.
It's this unique structure, visible here in extreme magnification, that gives the fiber its characteristic softness.
Look at the thermal insulation curve. The warmth to weight ratio is exceeding expectations. Data confirms extraordinary performance. Sequencer confirms 100% Angora composition. Excellent. We can issue the genuine luxury fiber certification immediately.
The tensile strength data from this batch is exceptional.
Yes, the Angora fibers are testing very high today.
As you can see on the screen, our factory process system provides every premium fiber traceability system, ensuring.
According to the checklist, we need to verify ethical sourcing for this lot.
Documentation is compliant. The fiber quality is also superb.
Inside the factory, skilled artisans meticulously craft each garment, blending tradition with modern textile technology.
The fibers are meticulously processed to preserve the integrity of the Angora, resulting in unparalleled softness.
Ти можеш різнатовадуться, мичі близницька з кмамуші внукому дерево звичди. Снонце вибувало з табами куди з ними на новіштуна.
At Factory Process, transparency is key. We certify our Angora is 100% ethically sourced from cruelty-free facilities.
As you can see from the process video, this Angora is hand-selected for its unparalleled softness.
The texture is simply divine.
This color is exquisite, and I prefer the relaxed cardigan style here.
A wonderful choice. The Angora texture is truly unmatched.
From the finest Angora fibers, we craft a sweater of unparalleled softness and luxury.
Understanding the factory process means appreciating the source, ensuring both animal welfare and premium quality in the final Angora yield.
Encounters like this ensure the next generation understands the extraordinary story behind luxury Angora production.
Our meticulous process ensures that only the finest Angora fibers are selected, guaranteeing a softness you can truly feel.
Welcome to the facility. Our sustainable and ethical production standards are world-class, ensuring the highest level of animal welfare